Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 20, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. Now, to get started, you will want to pull down your notification panel and look for the battery saver. So for me, it's on a second page right over here, and once you find it, all you need to do is tap on it. There we go. It turns your device into, well, dark mode to preserve battery, and additionally does a couple things in the background, like for instance disables your mobile data and Wi-Fi when the device is in sleep mode, so you won't be receiving any kind of notifications that would require internet connection when you're not using your device. But once you pick it up, it reconnects automatically and syncs everything that you were missing, so don't worry about that one. And yeah, and now you can also do additional things to prolong your battery life if you want to, like dropping your brightness if that is an option for you. So dropping it halfway will yield you several hours of extra battery life, but like I said, it might not be a feasible option for everybody, especially if you're like outdoors. So anyway, once you're done with the battery saver, you want to turn it off. All you need to do is tap on the toggle once more and everything will go back to functioning normally. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.